Hi guys, welcome back to our channel BPA Coder. If you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Today in this video, we are going to see how to create a progress chart in VBA Excel. So to create a progress chart, we have to take some steps right now. Is first we have to enter the value of 1 10 times, and then let's say we are going to show up the service level. So service level in our chart. So this will be the service level, or I can say service level percentage, and this will be the blank space. Now blank space is nothing but the empty space which will appear inside our progress chart. So if you're new to this channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. And for more such videos, please do visit to our channel BPA Coder. Now first we will be seeing the output of our code, and then we will be having a deep explanation about the code which has to be written to create a progress chart in VBA Excel. Now let's see the output first. So as you can see, this is our progress chart, and this is how our progress chart is going to look after writing a few lines of code in VBA Editor. Now as you see, let's say I'm going to change my service level, then this chart will automatically update. So as you can see that this is updating even if you put any other value. So this is the blank spot, or you can say blank space, which I was talking over here, and this is the service level in red, which is here. Now let's see how we can code this in VBA. So let's get into our VBA editor. Before that, I want to show you something. So service level over here we have given manually. For blank space, what we are going to do is we are going to enter equals to 1 minus and the service level, so which will be the blank space after deducting the service level. Now let's have a look on our VBA code to create this progress chart. So as you can see on the screen that this is our entire VBA code, and we are going to see what all codes has to be written to create this amazing chart. Now let's have a look on it. So first we are going to create a sub procedure named progress chart in VBA Excel, and then what we are going to do is we are going to select a single cell from our range. So this is our range, and from here we have selected a single cell. After that we are going to type active sheet dot shapes dot add chart 2, and inside the brackets we are going to give some parameters. The first parameter will be the chart number, which is 251. The second parameter is the chart type, so which is Excel donut. So after that we are going to give the left and top parameter to position our progress chart, and then outside the brackets we are going to type dot select. After writing these lines of code, what we are going to do is we are going to use the with statement. Now let's see what this with statement will help us. After writing with, we are going to do some actions with our active chart. So once the chart is created, it becomes our active chart. So after writing with active chart, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to type MSO element legend pen, which means we are going to remove the legends from our chart, from our progress chart. After that we are going to give this title over here. So for that we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to service level in the double inverted comma. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to format the first series. As you can see, this is our first series collection, so we are going to format this. So to do that, first we are going to type dot full series collection 1 in the brackets and then dot select. After that, once you have selected the format series, which is this one, we are going to format that. Now let's see what we are going to do. So we are going to create another with statement within it, which is the nested one, which says with selection dot format dot fill, which means we are going to format fill this selection and we have to make it visible, which is dot visible equals to MSO true. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot for color dot RGB equals to RGB and inside the brackets 255 comma 0 comma 0, then close the brackets. Then below that, so this is the red color, or you can say this is the code to color it in red. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot solid in the next line and we are going to use the with statement, which is end with. So what this will do is this entire block of code will help you to select the series 1. Then after selecting the series, it will fill the solid red color inside the series. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to format the lines of the chart. As you can see, the black lines over here, so we are going to format the lines as well. To do that, we are going to type with selection dot format dot line, and the next line it will be dot visible equals to MSO true. And in the next line, what we are going to do is we are going to select the color. So for selecting the color, it will be dot for color dot object theme color equals to MSO theme color accent 1. So this is the name of the color in the Microsoft Office. And then in the next line, we are going to adjust the tint and shade, which will be dot for color dot tint and shade equals to minus 0.86, which means this is the code for the black color over here for tint and shade. Then we are going to end the with statement over here, which will end the with statement of this format line. Once you have created the chart, you have filled the format and formatted your line. Now what we are going to do is we are going to add this statement, or you can say these two cells to our progress chart. So how we are going to do is first we are going to type dot series collection dot new series, which means in the series collection, this is the series collection 1, okay, and we are going to add another series. So for that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot series collection dot series, and in the next line we are going to type dot full series collection 2. Why 2? Because this is the second series which we are going to add. So this is series 1 and this is series 2. So this is the second series which we are going to add, that's why. So it will be dot full series inside the brackets 2, outside it will be dot name equals to. Now we are setting the name of our new series. For this video, I have kept the new series name as new. So you have to type in the double inverted comma equals to, and then beside that we are going to type double inverted comma again, and inside it we are going to type new and then a double inverted comma again. So this is how we are going to name your new series. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot full series collection in the next line, and then inside the bracket it will be 2, and outside the bracket we are going to type dot values equals to, then we are going to give the reference of these two cells, which is H4 and H5. So in the double inverted comma it will be equals to, then a single inverted comma. This will be speedometer in VBA TVD. So this is the sheet name, and this is the range which I have to select. So I'm talking about the service level and blank space over here. Once you have the values over here, we are going to select the dot full series collection 2 by dot select over here, and then below that we are going to type dot full series collection 2 dot access group equals to true, equals to 2. Once you have written this, what we are doing over here exactly is we are trying to add this second one, or you can say this service level and blank space as a secondary access over here. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to select the points of the second collection of these two. Once you have selected the points of the second series collection of these two, we are going to make the format fill as false. So first we are hiding, or we are making the format fill of format fill first point of the second collection invisible, and then we are going to remove the lines of the second point, which is this one, second point of the second series collection over here. Once you have did this much, then what we are going to do is now we are going to format the selection of secondary, or you can say the full series collection 2 of points 2, as we have already selected this one. So what we are going to do is we are going to format this using with selection dot format dot fill, and then we are going to type dot visible equals to MSO true, and in the next line we are going to type dot forecolor dot object theme equals to MSO theme color background 1, and then we are going to type dot forecolor dot tint and shade equals to 0, and then we are going to set the brightness of this by typing dot forecolor dot brightness equals to minus 0.05, and this is 2 4 6 7 times 0 and then 7. After that we are going to set the transparency as 0 by dot transparency equals to 0, and in the next line we are going to type dot solid, and we are going to end this with statement over here. Once you have typed this, what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the plot area. As you can see, this is our plot area, and we are going to calculate the left and the width of the plot area. Why we are doing this is because to add a shape between this. As you can see, the 30 is nothing but the shape which we have added to our chart. So to do that, we are going to type width dot plot area, and in the next line it will be plot area center x equals to dot inside left plus dot inside left, dot inside left plus dot inside width divided by 2. So what we are doing is we are taking the average of the center of our plot area over here, and then end width. Once you have typed this, what we are going to do is we are going to remove any, or you can say we are going to make the chart area transparent. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot chart area dot format dot fill dot visible equals to MSO false. So your chart area will be transparent. Once you have made your chart area transparent, now what we are going to do is we are going to give a name to our chart. Okay, so how we can do that? We are going to type dot parent dot name equals to, I have written A in the double inverted comma. You can name it as per your convenience. So this chart is now renamed or named as A. Now this will be referred as A. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to add a shape over here. So this is the shape. The 30% which is showing is nothing but the shape. So we are going to add the shape over here, which will be, and how we can do this? We can do this by typing active shape dot shapes dot add shape, and inside the brackets we are going to type what type of shape we are trying to insert and its properties, like its left, top, height and width of it. So this is MSO shape flowchart alternate process. So this is one of the shape which I've inserted, I've created, and I'm selecting the shape at the same time by using dot select. After that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a with statement or a nested with again over here, which will name it. Now let's see what this will do. With selection, which means after creating and selecting the shape, we are going to type with selection, and below that we are going to type dot name equals to B. So I'm naming this shape. So the shape which I'm creating over here, I'm naming it as B. And then below that I'm going to put on a formula which will be dot formula equals to, and then in the double inverted comma we are going to type equals to. After that we are going to type single inverted comma and give the sheet's name, which is speedometer in VBA TBD, and then we are going to give the exclamation mark, and we are going to give the service level cell, which is H4 over here. So once you have referred this, what we are going to do is now we are going to increase or set the font size of this value, which is 30. So to do that, we are going to type dot font dot size equals to 16 for this video I have kept the font size as 16. You can increase this as per your convenience. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to assign, or you can say we are going to align this shape inside this plot area. So as you can see that we have already calculated the plot area over here, which is plot area center x, okay, which is the average of the plot area over here. So we are going to use this over here by using width dot shape range. So we are going to do something with the shape which we have created over here. Now let's see what we can do and what are we going to do right now. So what we are going to do with the shape is, once you have written width dot shape range, after that we are going to type dot increment left plot area center xy, which means we are going to increment the left side. So we are going to increment from the left side, which will be like this, from here to here, which will be the average of this one, the plot area, which is plot area center x, which will center it. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to set the text frame, or can say the shape, in the middle and we are going to center it, align it in center. So to do that, we are going to use these two lines, which is dot text frame 2 dot vertical anchor equals to MSO anchor middle. After that, it will be dot text frame 2 dot text range dot paragraph format dot alignment equals to MSO align center. So this will middle and center the text frame or the shape over here, the text actually. So as you have seen that we have already inserted the formula inside our shape, so it will center and middle the shape. After that, again we are going to increment from left. So we are incrementing the text or the formula over here by 15.75, and then we are going to remove the fill and the line of the shape by typing dot fill dot visible equals to MSO false and dot line dot visible equals to MSO false, and then we are going to type end with. So we are ending this with statement. So once you have written this one, we are going to end the with statement of this one as well. So once you have followed till here in this video, then what will happen is we have successfully aligned and added a shape and to a chart. And what we are going to do right now with that, we have also removed the background color of our shape and the outlines of our shape. Now what we are going to do, we are going to end the with statement. So this with statement is the main with statement, which we are going to end it. After ending the main with statement, what we are going to do is we are going to group the chart and the shape together, so that while you're moving this chart, it will be grouped and your chart will be presentable. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to type another with statement, which is with active sheet dot shapes dot range. So in a range we are going to give an array. Now let's see what this array is about. So after writing array, we are going to give the a in the double inverted comma, and then giving a comma we are going to give b in the double inverted comma, and then we are going to close the array and the range brackets over here. Then we are going to type dot group. So what we are doing is we are grouping the chart and the shape together right now, and then we are naming this new group by using dot name equals to ab in the double inverted comma. After that we are going to log the aspect ratio by typing dot log aspect ratio equals to image true. Once you have written this line, your aspect ratio will be locked, and then we are going to type end with over here to end the with statement. So by this you will be grouping your chart as well as your shape together. Now this is the reason why I have named my chart and my shape at the beginning. So every time you create a chart, then it will give you a different name or the unique name to your chart. But let's say you want to group your chart and your shape, then you have to name it. So that's the reason I have named our chart and shape over here and given a new name over here as well, and logged it aspect ratio, so that even if you move it, say even if you move your chart, your chart and the shapes will be in their place. So even when you, let's say instead of 30 I am giving it as 89%, so this will update the both chart as well as your shape over here. So this is the reason we are grouping our chart as well as our shape. Now after this, what we are going to do, we are going to select any single cell outside this code, this entire code, and inside our sheet over here I have selected range h3 dot select over here. So let's say I am deleting this entire chart and I'm running the code again. So I'm going to run this code again. See, now you have your results over here. If you have followed till here, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a progress chart in VBA Excel. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder, and for more such videos please do like and share and subscribe to our channel. And for the more visualization videos, if you want to learn what are the different types of charts which we are creating in VBA Excel, then please do visit to our channel BPO Coder. Till then, have a great day. Bye from BPO Coder.